Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a farmhouse glam pedestal that is going to be perfect in any style decor. We're going to use some pearl beads, a candlestick holder, and then some wooden circle rounds that we have. I did get these rounds at Dollar Tree, so they are available there, hopefully in your area, but you can also get them online. For our wooden circles, I am just putting a coat of white paint on it. It did take a couple coats, but just get really good coverage, and that is going to be perfect. Once your wooden circles are dry, we're actually going to glue one of them to the top of the candlestick. Now it's time to dress it up and put the glam factor on this farmhouse pedestal. I got these pearl beads from Dollar Tree. They do not have holes in them like some beaded jewelry does. So if you get some that have holes in them, just put the hole on the bottom side and the top side so that it's actually covered by our wooden circles and you don't see it. You're gonna go all the way around and you'll be able to tell at the end that it did not meet exactly in the middle, and we can cover that up or we can put a bow there, whatever kind of your style is at the end. Once you have all your pearls in place, we're going to put another line of hot glue and we're going to attach our second wooden piece to the top. And this is just going to make the base that you can sit your decorations on. I did take some twine and I just hot glued it all along the edge of where the wooden circles were. And you're going to be able to see here in just a second. You're going to keep gluing all the way around, and you can see here that I have that little gap that I talked about earlier. I'm not worried about it, it's just going to be at the back, but if you wanted to make a twine bow, you could cover that up. I also have a candlestick that has a little bit of a groove at the bottom, and so I wrapped it with some twine too. Here I'm just putting another light layer of paint because it needed it a little bit, and then I'm just adding more twine to the very underside base of the candlestick. Next, I'm taking some light black paint and just adding a little bit of distress and texture to it. Now it's time to decorate it and have fun. This is the cutest little pedestal that is going to work in so many areas of your home. If you enjoyed this DIY and like all things DIY and creative, please visit theruffleddaisy.org. Thank you so much for watching today.